So, ano na bang nangyari? Siyempre, pumunta ako dito sa email address ko, yung nominated email address na link dito sa Pi account natin. And then, tama naman yung naka-indicate na wallet address. So, ang kailangan ko lang gawin, supposedly, is to click on verify your migration wallet. Okay? Ayan. So, syempre, ayan, i-enter mo yung ano. Pero bakit ganun ang nangyari? Verification expired. Okay. Ipapaliwanag ko yung nangyari dito, guys, ha. Nung clinic, the first time na nag-click ako nung verify email, wala akong na-receive na email from the Pi Network team. Kumbaga, wala akong link na ma-click to verify yung email address. Kaya, ang nangyari dito, hinintay ko siya ng hinintay, refresh ako ng refresh, hanggang sa nakatulog ako, mga bandang 2:00 to ng tanghali kahapon. Paggising ko ng bandang 6:00 ng gabi, binalikan ko. Ni-refresh ko yung ano, yung Gmail natin. Saka lang siya pumasok. Pero nung clinic ko yung link, expired na pala yung verification link. Okay? So, ang nangyari dito, guys, clinic natin yung resend email. Okay? Ayan. So, i-enter ko na naman yung 24-word fast phrase natin. And then, unlock with fast phrase tayo. Ayan. So, kinukuha ko lang yung mga information na kailangan natin. Ayan. So, ipipaste lang natin uli yung ano natin. Fast phrase. Para ma-unlock. Ayan. Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies.